Hey everyone, welcome to Q's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a Fat Paulie sandwich. Do you know what a Fat Paulie sandwich is? It's just a chicken cutlet sandwich with lettuce, tomato, fresh mozzarella on an Italian roll. So tonight we're going to make a Fat Paulie. And the Fat Paulie is Italian bread with chicken cutlets, mozzarella, lettuce and tomato. Some people like roasted peppers on it. Some people like mayonnaise on the bread. You can toast it up, but Joseph's going to show how he's going to make it. So first we're going to put a little mayonnaise on the bread. A little mayo on the bread. How much mayo do you like, Joseph?
Everybody likes a different amount. I like a good amount on mine, but it's one of those things, whatever you like. Some people like a little mayo, and some people like a lot of mayo.
You're going to put it on both sides of the bread or just one
no,
side?
No, one side's okay.
Okay. Next, put your chicken cutlet on the bread. There you go. Oh, that looks good. One more piece on there. Yeah, that's why it's called a Fat Paulie, because it's nice and fat. And a little lettuce and tomato on top. Oh, put the cheese. I guess we'll put the cheese next. Put the mozzarella cheese next. Okay, we're going to put some tomato on the top next. Oh yeah, look at that. Tomato. Get it from the sub shop. And some lettuce. Just get your hands in there, Joseph. Put it right on there. Oh yeah.
I'm using my hand. That's basically the only way you can really do the proper way.
Now you got to get it all down into that sandwich. Get it in there. And now you got to eat it. Okay, now you gotta, there you go. There you go. Oh yeah. Lettuce hanging off your mouth, that's the way to eat it.
Have a fork next to you so you can push it back in it.